In this video, I'll show you step by step how to stop Microsoft Edge from blocking downloads. So if you want to download something from your Microsoft Edge browser, but it keeps blocking the downloads, let me show you step by step how to disable it. So the first method, now click on this three dot. So scroll to down and go to settings. After you open the settings, now click on this privacy, search and services. So from this option, click on this tracking prevention. So from this option now, by default, you'll be able to find your own is set strict. So change it to this one, balance, that's recommended. So after you change it to this one, now close the Microsoft Edge browser. Now open the Microsoft Edge browser again. After you open the browser again, now click on this three dot again. So under the three dot, now scroll to down. So go to settings again. Go to settings. After you open the settings, now scroll to down and click on this privacy, search and services again. So under the password and autofill, so click on this privacy, search and services. So if you come to this option, scroll to down, go to sites permission. So under the site permission, click on this all permission. So if you scroll to down, so click on this option, pop-ups and redirects, click on this one. So as you can see now, by default you'll be able to find this option is enabled, so you need to disable it. After you disable this option, so from there, if you want to download something from the Microsoft Edge browser, now it will allow you to download it. And that's it, guys. If this video helps out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next one.